Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to slow down text-to-speech in our Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for text-to-speech options and how to slow it down. We need to go to Settings, then we are looking for Accessibility options and TalkBack. Under TalkBack, in Settings, we have text-to-speech settings, and in here we can slow our text-speech rate and pitch if we want to. Also, we can make it faster, but we want to slow it down.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
As you can see, it's working. Here, you don't need to save, just back out, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.